get started, you're going to knot towards the centre as you would do a regular chevron style bracelet at both sides. So once you've got both threads into the centre, instead of knotting them together, I'm going to add a bead. I'm going to add the bead to both of the threads here. This is quite a small bead. I'm going to use some folded up jewellery wire to thread it on. So I want to insert the bead onto the folded up wire. Make sure both sides go through. Just open up a little bit of a loop, and you can thread your cords or your embroidery thread or whatever you're using through that loop. Once you've done that, you can pull your bead through. This makes it a lot easier than trying to thread them without any help, especially if you've got a really small bead like I have. So once you've done that, you can just push your bead into place, and that's just going to act instead of a normal knot. So I'm not going to add a knot here like I normally would do. The bead is serving as the knot. And then next you just want to knot towards the centre at both sides as you normally would do. Once you've got both threads on your next row to the centre, you can either add another bead or you can do a knot like you normally would do. So I'm going to do a knot here just to create a little bit of a gap between the beads, but you can add them on every row if you want. So you can see that your bead is now nice and secure inside the bracelet, and now you can do your next row. And for my next row I'm going to add another bead. So you want to work down your row as you normally would do, knotting each time towards the centre at both sides. So now I'm back with those threads in the centre again. I'm going to add another bead here. And you can space out your beads as far apart or as close together as you want, really. I'm just deciding to do every alternate row. Once you've threaded your bead, once again just push it up to the top of your bracelet. And then you can use that instead of the knot, otherwise it gets a bit too bulky if you knot over that as well. And then just do your next row. And just keep doing this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. Once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you should end up with something that looks a little bit like this. So now you can try on your bracelet. And that is your completed beaded friendship bracelet.